Hi there, this is the Herta Builder Grid exercise. Now hopefully by now you're aware what the Herta is, sometimes called blurters. It's normally the one that I teach as very quick slow. It sounds like this: very quick slow, very quick slow, very quick slow, very quick slow. Well, in this particular exercise we're going to have to learn the Hertas in 3 different positions. That was position number 1. Timing wise we're thinking of it as triplets, 8th note triplets, and we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. And what we then do is we take those 2 notes at the start, the 2 fast notes let's call them, and we move them across into the middle. So we then get this pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the Herta part of it is kind of left hand lead. Right, then we take the 2 partials again, move them to the end, which gives us this pattern. Try this one a few times. Difficult one, this one. So we're getting 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 1. Okay, so 3 positions. 1, 2, and 3. What we then do is we have a check pattern, which then leads into the Herta. Now the check pattern is basically comprised of most of the parts that make up the Herta. So if I play this, Swiss triplets, right, right, left, right, right, left, right, right, left, right, right, left, and then I suddenly transition from that into Hertas, my right hand doesn't change, look. So bounce triplet, Herta. So we're setting ourselves up by practicing this, then just changing our left hand. So that's the first part. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go to the second part then. So the second part, our check pattern changes now to bounce triplets. Right, left, left, right, left, left, right, left, left, right, left, left. And just as before, same thing, all right? 2, 3, 4. Three, 4. And one more. 2, 3, 4. Let's look at the one in the third position then. So then our check patterns, some people quite an awkward one. We go right, left, right. And we just repeat that, which means the 2 rights are at the end. Right, left, right, right, left, right, right, left, right, right, left, right, right. It's just this. 2, 3, 4. Once more. 2, 3, 4. Now on the repeat, we then, meaning we actually end with. So here's both of those together. 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's all of what we call the 4 section. Okay, so there's basically 4 of each of them. Let's play that whole section once for you. So Hertas, bounce triplet, in position 3. Once more. So as I said, that's the 4 section. What we do now is we transition down into a 2 section. Now the 2 section, we just half everything. So we now only play for our first one. And then our second one is and our third one. Now the 2 section, the whole of it, is played twice. So here is all of the 2 section. 2, 3, 4. finally then, our one section. Well, our one section, as you can imagine, is one of the check, one of the rudiment. So the first one is second part, bounce triplet. And our third one, the outward. So here is one loop of the one section. Again. And again. And the final time. And that's exactly how it's played in the whole exercise. So all of the one section, 4 times in a row, 2, 3, 4. And that's the whole of the exercise learnt. I'll play it all the way through for you one time. Let me see if we can get those target tempos. Okay, so here's the whole thing. So 4s, Hertas, bounce triplets, outwards, 2s, 2s again, ones, and that there is the whole of the exercise. As with all of these, don't be worried if you don't get the speed. This one takes a little bit of thinking to be able to figure out that last part. Particularly when you have to come out of a Herta into a Swiss triplet. It's quite a difficult skill set. Once you've got that, you'll be able to see if you can get your target tempos.